You've noticed it. You can't sit still for more than a few minutes. Reading feels impossible. Deep work feels impossible. Even conversations slip away because your mind jumps every 5 seconds. That's not laziness. That's your attention span being destroyed. But here's the good news. You can rebuild it. Psychologists say your focus works like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. And here are 3 simple steps to start today. Step 1, cut out the hidden drains. Most people blame social media, but the real killers are constant micro-distractions, notifications, multitasking, background noise. Every little switch steals mental energy. The fix? Do a focus detox. Turn off non-essential notifications. Block out 30-minute distraction-free slots and protect them like gold. You'll be shocked how much attention you get back. Step 2. Train your focus in small sets. You don't rebuild your attention by forcing 3 hours of deep work. That's like trying to lift 200 pounds on day 1. Instead, start with focus sprints. Work deeply for just 10 to 15 minutes. Then take a short break. Gradually increase the time. Your brain adapts, and suddenly an hour of focus feels easy. Step 3. Replace dopamine junk with real rewards. Scrolling gives you fast dopamine hits. But those cheap highs ruin your ability to focus. Replace them with meaningful rewards. Finishing a task, journaling, exercising, creating something. When your brain learns that focus leads to real satisfaction, distractions lose their power. So remember this, your focus isn't gone forever. It's been hijacked. Cut the drains, train it in small sets, and feed it real rewards. That's how you rebuild the attention span to actually take back control of your life.